Good morning, you guys. Today is the first day of 2026. I can't believe we are already in 2026. I really wish you all a very happy new year. Spend your time with your family and friends, your loved one. I really wish your all the dream comes true in 2026. This is not a special day, but I just wanted to film this and take you guys along with me. Gonna go out. I have been wake up for a while now. I took a shower. I did my AM skincare routine. I'm at the metro station. I wore this jacket last night when I was celebrating with Guruji. Yeah, lighting here is good, but yeah, so I spent my New Year's Eve at the annual satsang of Guruji, and it was so divine. It was so peaceful. I couldn't thought of any better way to spend my New Year's Eve and the beginning of the year. I'm waiting for metro. I've settled down at Blue Tokai, one of my go-to-go cafes when I feel like, romanticizing my morning, which I can't do at home. I feel like coming here more often, enjoy my mornings, enjoy my coffee. Right now, I am about to do some journaling, like deep dive journaling. After then, I have to go at a VI store. Oh, like I'm finally finished with my journaling. I did journaling for good 1.5 hours. More than that, I felt so lightweight right now. It was just amazing. Yeah, my order is here. I ordered one hot chocolate and a tomato pesto feta cheese croissant sandwich. And yes, lately I'm obsessed with croissant sandwiches. Let's do a taste test. And so my friends decided to join me. That's my hot chocolate, and this is the croissant sandwich. I already ate the chips. This is the cold coffee milkshake, and it is tasty. I have had it before. This one is the iced latte, and we have a parsley garlic fries, which looks yum. It's very nice. It's perfect veg, creamy and nice. Let's try the croissant sandwich. It has to be the cheese, but it's heaven, it's yum. Let's try this one as well. Mm. It's my it's like a classic old coffee. One thing we are not cutting is sugar. I can't cut it down. My little brother is having my hot chocolate as well.
Gist of my hot chocolate.
A gist of my hot chocolate and his cold coffee milkshake as well. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we are here for some kind of shopping or stuff. So I think we are going to check west side. shopper and he just invisibly add to cart. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. They both left me alone and they went to the men's section, obviously. I really loved the collection here. It's nice though. And we are back at home. I feel so good. But luckily, I mean, it's good कि बाहर इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं है. And now my room is bit messy, like here and there. So I think I'm gonna clean it for now. My brother is surely a window shopper, but I am more kind of shopping girl. So I just got few things from Westside from their home decor corner. I just got one package from Wishcare. Finally, I cleaned the whole room and almost 1 hour लग गया मुझे क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ही messy हो रहा था. Yeah, it looks good. It feels good. I'm thirsty and I won this class in Horn OK. I don't know if you guys have seen my Horn OK vlog. If you haven't, then do check it out. वहाँ पे बहुत सारी games हो रही थी and I participated. Like I just randomly participated in one game and I think it's a pretty good class for just like regular water. Now that we have cleaned our room, the closing day, so I still have to log in, but I still have little time before I logged in. So let's just open the package from Wishcare. Thank you, Wishcare. मुझे नहीं पता मैं कितने देर तक लॉकडाउन रहूंगी and I also don't feel like cooking something after all the self-care and all the good things I just want to stay in. And I forgot to show you that I got a book as well because I already finished my last book. This is Surrounded by Setback or How to Succeed When Everything's Gone Bad by Thomas Erickson. So I don't know, I want to change things. So I'm finally done with the closing and my skin feels so good, so glowing and hydrating, and I think I needed this. I have ordered my dinner and I'm waiting for it for the rest of the night and watch movie. I'm by the way watching Ibiza. My dinner is here. I'm gonna enjoy it. Mm, I love veg Manchurian roll from Roll It, and I'm gonna spend rest of my evening here. I really wish you a very happy new year once again. Thank you for watching.